Top 5 exercises can transform your body in just 4 weeks, improving strength, muscle tone, endurance, and posture. 1. Squats 2. Push-ups 3. Plank 4. Deadlifts 5. Burpees. Fit woman doing bodyweight squats on a sunny beach at sunrise. Muscular man performing heavy barbell back squats in a gritty gym. Athlete doing goblet squats with a kettlebell in a modern home gym. Close-up of legs and glutes during deep squat with resistance band. Group fitness class doing synchronized squats in a studio. Elderly man doing assisted chair squats in a rehab center. Young woman performing squats with dumbbells in a park during fall. Teen athlete doing front squats with a barbell in a high school gym. Side view of a man squatting with perfect form, highlighting posture. Animated infographic of muscles, worked during squats. Time-lapse sequence of a squat, standing, descending, bottom, ascending. Silhouette of a person doing squats during sunset on a mountain. Bodybuilder doing sumo squats with heavy dumbbells in front of a mirror. Person doing squat jumps for cardio in a fitness boot camp. Squats with a stability ball against a wall for beginners. Fit mom doing squats with her baby in a carrier. Yoga practitioner doing a squat-based pose like Malasana in nature. Virtual coach guiding squats in a fitness app interface. Creative artistic illustration of a person doing squats, anatomy overlay. Fitness influencer recording a squat tutorial video with ring light. Outdoor workout scene, person doing squats on a trail or rooftop. Military training scene with soldiers doing squats during drills. Split screen of correct versus incorrect squat form. AI-generated futuristic athlete doing squats in a digital gym. Before and after transformation photo. Highlighting leg and glute gains from squats. Fit man performing standard push-ups on a gym mat with defined arm muscles. Athletic woman doing knee push-ups in a home workout space. Silhouette of a person doing push-ups on a beach at sunrise. Side-by-side comparison of correct versus incorrect. Push-up form. Group of military cadets doing synchronized push-ups in a boot camp field. Overhead view of a person doing wide-arm push-ups on a yoga mat. Young man doing clapping push-ups mid-air in slow motion. Animated diagram showing muscles activated during a push-up. Child imitating a push-up beside their parent during a family workout. Elderly woman doing incline push-ups on a sturdy bench in a park. Woman doing diamond push-ups in a minimalist indoor gym. Push-up progression chart. Wall, incline, knee, standard, decline, explosive. Top-down shot of a push-up plank position emphasizing core engagement. Athlete doing push-ups with a weight plate on their back in a hardcore gym. Man doing one-arm push-ups on concrete rooftop at dusk. 3D anatomical overlay of push-up form with joint and muscle alignment. Beginner following a virtual trainer. Doing push-ups on a smart TV screen. Fitness influencer demonstrating push-up variations for a workout video. Urban setting. Man doing push-ups on the stairs of an outdoor amphitheater. Dynamic digital art of push-ups with glowing muscle fibers and motion lines. Push-ups with a resistance band looped across the upper back. Side-by-side photo of a 30-day push-up challenge before and after. Push-up pyramid workout visual guide with reps decreasing step by step. Martial artist doing fingertip push-ups on a dojo mat. Cartoon-style visual of different animals trying to do push-ups humorously. Fit woman holding a forearm plank on a yoga mat in a bright home studio. Muscular man performing a high plank in a gym with core muscles highlighted. Side view of a beginner doing plank with bent knees and straight back. Split screen, proper. Plank form versus sagging hips and lifted buttocks. Fitness coach demonstrating side plank with raised leg on a rooftop at sunrise. Animated anatomy chart showing muscles activated during forearm planks. Young couple doing a plank challenge face-to-face on the living room floor. Athlete doing plank to push-up transitions in an industrial-style gym. Silhouette of a person. Planking on the beach at golden hour. Group fitness class holding planks in a mirror-lined studio. Elderly man doing incline plank with hands on a park bench for joint support. Woman performing reverse plank with hips raised and feet pointed. Front plank position with child lying on parent's back, smiling. Time-lapse of a person holding plank over 1 minute. Form staying perfect. Person doing a dynamic plank variation with shoulder taps on a fitness mat. Plank exercise on a Basu ball for added stability challenge. Fit man holding plank with a dumbbell row in each hand. Infographic comparing different plank variations: side, forearm, high, reverse. Yoga-style minimalist scene with a woman holding a plank under soft lighting. Outdoor scene, person planking on grass in the middle of a city park. Two people doing a partner plank with a high five in the middle. 3D digital figure in plank position with glowing muscle groups and core engagement lines. Cartoon of animals trying to do plank, dog, cat, panda, in cute, funny ways. Plank with leg lift, mid-motion, showing balance and core control. Before and after photo series of improved core strength from daily plank routine. Muscular man performing a barbell deadlift with chalked hands in a hardcore gym. Fit woman doing Romanian deadlifts with dumbbells in a clean, modern home gym. Close-up of hands gripping a barbell just before initiating a deadlift. Side view of proper deadlift form with spine alignment and muscle engagement. Deadlift infographic showing differences between sumo and conventional stance. Athlete doing trap bar deadlifts outdoors on an athletic track. Silhouette of a person lifting a heavy barbell at sunrise on a mountain plateau. Beginner learning deadlift with a PVC pipe in a personal training session. Weightlifter performing a max effort deadlift with screaming crowd in background. Digital anatomy overlay of posterior chain muscles activated during deadlifts. Woman in athletic wear doing kettlebell deadlifts with perfect posture. Before and after transformation image showing glute and hamstring development from deadlifts. Powerlifter doing sumo deadlifts in a gritty black and white weight room. Top-down view of a person mid-deadlift with feet, bar position, and posture aligned. Teen athlete practicing deadlifts with resistance bands for form correction. Gym mirror reflection of a man doing deadlifts with serious focus. Elderly woman doing lightweight dumbbell deadlifts in a physical therapy center. 3D render of deadlift motion sequence. Setup, lift off, lockout, and reset. Man doing deadlifts. Barefoot on a lifting platform with weightlifting belt and wrist wraps. Split image of a conventional deadlift and a stiff-legged deadlift for hamstring focus. Fitness influencer recording a tutorial on proper deadlift mechanics. Side-by-side comparison of common deadlift mistakes and corrections. Outdoor garage. Gym scene with woman deadlifting on a concrete driveway. Deadlift PR celebration with lifter holding bar overhead in triumph. Stylized comic art of a superhero performing a massive deadlift with exaggerated muscles and glowing barbell. Athlete performing a perfect burpee with a smooth push-up and jump at the top. Group of people doing burpees in a fitness boot camp in an outdoor park. Silhouette of a person doing a burpee at sunset on a beach with the ocean in the background. Woman doing burpees in her living room with a motivational workout playlist in the background. Side view of a man doing a burpee with explosive jump and hands touching the sky. Top-down view of a burpee in motion. Squat thrust to push-up. To jump up. Close-up of feet jumping during a burpee, showing form and athletic shoes. Fitness coach demonstrating burpees with modifications for beginners in a gym. Animated diagram breaking down each phase of a burpee. Squat, push-up, jump. Team of athletes performing burpees in unison in an indoor CrossFit gym. Woman doing burpees in a brightly lit home gym with dumbbells beside her. Person doing modified burpees, no push-up in a calm outdoor park setting. Children doing burpees with their parents in a fun family workout session. High-energy scene of a fitness class performing burpees in an upbeat studio. 3D rendering of a person doing a burpee with glowing muscle fibers and motion lines. Side-by-side comparison of a standard burpee and a burpee with tuck jump. Person doing burpees with a resistance band around their waist for added intensity. Animated comic-style character performing a burpee in a humorous way. Overhead, view of a person doing burpees in a grid pattern during a circuit workout. CrossFit athlete doing burpees in a rainstorm on an outdoor gym turf. Slow motion shot of a person mid-burpee, legs extended for a powerful jump. Man and woman doing burpees in an urban outdoor park with city skyline in the background. Close-up of a timer counting down while someone does burpees for a timed workout challenge. Cartoon-style image of a superhero performing burpees to save the world. Group challenge event with a large crowd doing burpees in a park, showing the competitive spirit.